Hello, ma'am, and welcome to Thoughts on Education by collegedunia.com. So, this is Dr. Pooja Ramchandani, and she is the principal of HR College of Commerce and Economics in Mumbai. Welcome to the show, ma'am.
Thank you, Sahil, for inviting me on this platform and looking forward to a great conversation with you.
So, ma'am, for the first question, being the principal of HR College of Commerce and Economics, what is your philosophy of leadership? Like, how would you describe your leadership style?
If I go by the word leadership, it says lead the ship. You have to be the leader who will ensure that in the ship, everyone who is on the ship is a part of your family. I believe in philosophy that everyone in an organization of mine, teachers, non-teaching staff, associates, are all my family. And everyone's view and opinion and their suggestions, their feedback is important. So my leadership philosophy is that I believe in relationship management and transparent management. So relationship and transparency is my key philosophy of leadership that I want to lead this college with.
Okay. So for the next question, being the principal of HR College, like how do you strategize about the key programs and plans for the marketing and administration of your institute?
When I'm looking at administration in HR College, we believe in philosophy of decentralization. We have committees who take part and look after each and every aspect of administration. It could be an alumni committee, it could be an examination committee, it could be a self-finance committee, the coordinators. So administration of an organization is running on the philosophy of decentralization, where each authority is given power and responsibility and accountability to take care of their aspects. When it comes to the marketing of HR College, I believe HR is one of the best known colleges of South Mumbai. And our strength is our students who are our brand ambassadors. The activities that we do, the programs that we conduct through student bodies and through our committees are on our YouTube channel, are on our Twitter, are on our Facebook channel. Every student body has their own Insta pages, YouTube accounts, Facebooks, so that they can keep putting their programs onto the Facebook and onto the various social media accounts. Besides this, we also have our newsletters. We have a very vibrant website where each and every information about our events, our voyages are put on our website. We also have email IDs that we connect to people. Principal Connect email ID, College Connect email ID, Exam Committee email ID, Alumni Committee email ID, where we connect with people, and this is how we ensure that our programs are known to people. I myself on a Facebook keep posting where or which events are being posted. So we ensure that on our website and all our social media pages, which are also student body pages, every event is being posted.
How does the curriculum of HR College ensure the best practice of industry?
See, when we look at the curriculum of HR College, we were affiliated to Mumbai University since last year. We became a cluster university. Our key important aspect that we bring in industry into our curriculum is through our various series of lectures that we organize through our curriculum bodies. Very, very important that we organize is corporate lecture series, where industry experts, our own alumni are invited, industry corporate leaders are invited to deliver talk to our own students. Secondly, we have alumni lecture series, where only our alumni comes in and deliver lectures to our students. Thirdly, we have started with a very, very new initiative, which is parent lecture series. We are blessed with students from very big industry parents. They are now helping us. Recently, since last 3 months, we had series of parent lecture series. A banker, a lawyer who's parent to our own student have come in and taught to our student. So the philosophy of curriculum being industry based is through our alumni series, corporate lecture series, and parent lecture series, working very well and are onto very good positions into corporate industries. And next is our very, very strong placement cell who connect with industry, and those industry people come in and groom our students onto personalities, onto their various skills. So we ensure that our industry academia collaborations that are there are put into practice, and our industry and our parents are our best supporters.
Parent lecture series is something very unique.
Yeah, this is once I took over in July, I realized that we have experts as parents when they come and meet us for admissions, and they have been willing to help us. One person from media agency came in and he got 3 speakers. One person from the banking came in and we got 3 brilliant speakers. So I mean, parents are the best supporters that we have got, and we are blessed to have such parents in HR College, and blessed to have alumni in HR College who support us, who help us into coming in and talking about the recent updates onto industries which are there. And a new thing has happened, which is now each course will be worked with a committee, where each committee will work, a student body will work with the coordinator of the college. So for example, a BMS committee of students of 3rd year, 2nd year and 1st year will work with the coordinator, and their main job is to find out speakers and parents from alumni and industry and parents who will be coming in and speaking to our students. So each course has been made a committee of 3rd year, 2nd year and 1st year students, along with the coordinator, which is a core committee, which is new thing that we have started, and we are blessed that parents are supporting us. I should be thankful to them.
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely. So for the next question, what do you think your roles and responsibilities to the institute and students are?
When it comes to an institute, my role as an in-charge principal is, we have a 60 years of legacy. HR College completed 60 years. We celebrated Diamond Jubilee. The legacy of 60 years, being termed as one of the best college, my responsibility is to take this forward to a new benchmark, sustain the legacy that our forefathers have given, our former principals have given, and make it to the best. We are now entering into another feature, which is a cluster university, where we get an opportunity to design our curriculum. My responsibility is, when I got this autonomy to work as a lead college of cluster university, to give the best and best to my institute, create newer and newer benchmarks. And to my dear students, who I always call my brand ambassadors, my responsibility, HR College responsibility, is to create leaders in them. Give them academic programs, curricular programs, extracurricular programs of such benchmark quality that when they are out of this college, either they are entrepreneurs or they are employable immediately after their college education from HR College. So our responsibility is basically to give them platform which is the best, and give them overall personality development from HR College.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So for the next question, when you first came to HR College, what was your vision for the college? Like, has it evolved over time? And how far along in implementing that vision are you?
A lot of memories now. You took me back 20 years back. I came in June 2000. I joined in as a very young faculty. I was in my 20s, and the vision for this college at that time was, when I joined in under the leadership of Dr. Indu Shania, former principal, the vision was very clear that one day we will become university. We tried for autonomy, we applied for autonomy, but due to circumstances, HR could not take that autonomy. But our dream, our vision of becoming a university came true last year when government of Maharashtra have given us this dream of ours a reality, where HR College, KC College and Bombay Teachers Training College have been given another responsibility of giving out a public university. And today we feel proud that our vision last 2 years have been a fruitful day and night working on DPRs, on curriculums and on to various formalities. And today we are proud that our vision of getting our own university has become a reality.
Yes, ma'am. So for the next question, what do you see as your institute's greatest strength?
My greatest strength, or my institute's greatest strength, is my students. Our students, blessed. Yes, we get toppers. More or less, our cutoffs are very high. 90 percentages and above come to our college. They are academics. They are not just into academics, but wonderful performers, wonderful brand ambassadors, wonderful supporters when it comes to running of an institution. My students are my strength. The HR college is blessed to have such students who are, you won't believe, there are 30 plus student bodies. Public Speaking Society, Choice, GEMS, Young Leaders, Sing Club. I can go on. There are 30 plus clubs which are all there on our website, and each one of the student president is so excited to contribute in terms of various programs that they conduct. NSS, or it could be a planning forum, it could be a media club, it could be a Rotaract club, it could be an Enactus club. They want to work for college. The second important strength that we have is my strong faculty. Exposed, every faculty, I can proudly say, have at least visited twice or thrice foreign countries to know the international standards of education, to know how is education being given in those universities. And they bring back not just memories, but those quality standard of education in HR College. The third strength that I can say is my board. The management of this college, the trustees of this college, the HSNC family tree, which has nurtured us, which has given us full autonomy. I mean, the managements can be interfering, but I can proudly say this management has only given us way forward and said, do what you want, go ahead, achieve newer benchmarks. And every time we see behind, they are behind us. They are supporting us. So important strength is our management, the college management, and the support of the trustees is what has made this institution achieve these great strengths. Our another strength is our international programs, our student bodies, where the international exposure to our students, the cultures, the language, the community, the working, the educational opportunities, the working opportunities that we tell our students through our international connections and collaborations is also one of our biggest strengths. Another strength is my students' sensitivity to society. My students don't want to just enjoy or come and take lectures and have program, but they give it back to society. Rotaract, Enactus, NSS, all are good examples. Now we are going to start even ISEC wing in HR College. These all are on their own come up with different programs that they want to work with an NGO, they want to work with a collaboration with a child school and so on. So my strengths are my students and my trustees.
Very nice. Okay. So for the next question, are there any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students?
To my brand ambassadors and current aspiring young students, I'll say acronym which is SSTT. S, skill yourself. Get all the skills that you can think of in your college life. It could be speaking skills. It could be time management skills. It could be human skills. Get all the skills by participating in various college events. Second S, spend time with your family. Yes, pandemic has allowed us to stay at home. Spend time, but speak with your parents. Sit with them. Love them. And my advice, speak to them in their mother tongue. They feel proud of you. Another, as I said, 4 things, SSTT. T is take responsibility of society. Do good things around you. Take charge of people around you and do good things. It could be even the person who's working at your house, the person who's working in your society, the person who's working in your colleges, the person who is working in your surrounding, and they need you. Take the responsibility of the society. And I should say last one, think positive and keep smiling. So these are my few advice, I should say, as some things I should say to my young students.
That's good, man. Okay. So for the last question, what makes HR College different?
What makes HR College different is our philosophy that every student that comes to us is unique, is different, and has a leader inside. HR College is a platform where that leader is explored and is emerged. So HR is different because it believes in creating leaders and not volunteers. So this is what makes HR different.
So thank you so much, ma'am. It was a really great interview.
Thank you, Sahil, for inviting me for this afternoon and allowing me to share my views on College Dunia. And I'm thankful to College Dunia and Sahil, especially interacting with you. Thank you.